right, guys, so we are trying something different today for the 5 or 6 of my viewers out there. We're here over here at Cabinets Quick, and I know we talk about leg levelers a lot, but they're actually a main element of the cabinet. So today we're going to do a little bit of a more detailed view and talk about the levelers along with the new camera angle. You guys can see how you like this angle better for some things. Okay, so why do we use plastic leg levelers? Well, number one, they're far more efficient for shipping and price. And if there is ever a leak on the floor, you can access the front of the cabinet or the under cabinet without having anything damage your cabinets with water on the floor. And all you really have to do is get the front toe kick piece. So how do these work? So there's 2 elements to this. There's a cap, and this cap screws to the bottom of the cabinet. And this is for additional accessories that don't apply. And this little tab right here sits on the end of the cabinet. So this screws to the deck, and this holds up the side. And that's how everything is supported. Now, a lot of people, including contractors that do high-end work, don't like this because they think that this is not strong enough to support the cabinet and stone and stuff. So one set of 4 of these will support 800 pounds per cabinet, all right? Because the way the physics works is it's dead load straight down. There's no real jarring or this or that happening after the cabinet is screwed to the wall, right? There might be a little bit of jarring or jiggling or flexing as you're moving it around or sliding it, but that's not what this was designed for. This was designed for straight dead load down, which is a lot of weight capacity. The other nice thing about these is they have about an inch and a quarter of adjustability. So this 4-inch leg leveler turns into multiple sizes for multiple applications. And the other thing is 9 times out of 10, nobody really knows what floor is going in. So this allows you to adjust the install on the fly for either flooring condition changes or if the floor is not level, that's the whole point. So now you're wondering, how do you adjust it if the leg's always all towards the back? So they flat of this, you get a long screwdriver, and these slots are designed so you can adjust even the furthest ones or the ones in the back or front, and that's how they made these. So at Cabinets Quick, our default leg levelers are these. Every job should come with them, and if you would like ladder kicks or plywood toe kicks, what you can do is you can order the rips cut from us and we'll ship them out, and the installer or you can make the ladder kicks on the field as needed. And the recommended ladder kick material is basically CDX, which is plywood that has exterior grade glue. And hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.